All right. So today we will be going through the bar by bar analysis of Bank Nifty futures using 1 minute candlestick chart that we see here on the screen. Today is 24th of September, and I will take you through bar by bar analysis and the trades that were available in the first 30 minutes of the opening range session. Yesterday, market went up, price closed strong, but today it gapped down below the moving average that you see there, and bar closed bearish, but tails on both the sides. Okay, so it's a trading range bar, and we look at failed breakout opportunity on both the ends of the bar one, especially if price continues in the direction that it opened, which is basically gap down, and it fails at bar one's high. But you have to be open. Bar two, bears tried to push the market down, and it did manage to close below bar one's low. Okay, and that shows possibly bears have an upper hand, but we'll wait and see what happens. Okay, if we get a bar 3, which is a small bar, and then it fails to go above bar 1's high, then we might get a trap setup and continuation of the down move. Okay, but these are the possibilities that we need to be ready with. Anticipation is key here. What we see instead is bar 3, bulls bought the close of bar 2. Okay, they did not allow any lower tail for this bar, so it opened at the low and went up and managed to close at the high. So all the bearish pressure that was applied on bar 2 was soaked up. So this is a failed breakout below bar 1, and as we discussed, we are taking failed breakout opportunities on either side of this bar 1 because it's a trading range bar, indecision bar. Okay, so we went long above bar 3's high, which is a failed breakout long with a stop loss of 10 points and target of at least 30 points, or depending upon the resistances that we might get. Now this is a trade in just first 3 bars, so I will give it a little bit of a room. Had it been in the latter part of the day, I would get out at the resistance, but here I want to give it some room because it's just within first 3 bars of the day. Okay, bar 5 is the entry bar, nice bar. It went up above bar 1's high but did not manage to close above it. That's fine, we'll wait. Okay, bar 6, bulls immediately took control and price went up, and it basically hit our uh, target. We went long around basically 17 to 16. Okay, and then we will be getting out in this bar 17 to 46, 30 points target, and it is just below the EMA, which is a possible resistance. Okay, we continue to hold with further expectation. You see this 0% and 100%, which is a Fibonacci retracement or extension, actually not retracement, of bar 1's range. This is the profit target for the rest of the position. So we get out at around 17 to 70 on the remaining position. You can continue to ride further, but because it was going past the moving average and this weakening of momentum is seen, I wanted to get out at this 100% extension for the remaining position. So that was around 17216 and 270. So around 50 points and 30 points. So on an average, 40 points is what we got on the overall position. Okay, so you can see that market failed, is failing here in bar 8. A nice strong close for the bears. Bulls made an attempt wherein they provided the support at the moving average and tried to push the prices up, but couldn't get past bar 8 high. Okay, immediately on bar 10, you can see that bears sold the close of bar 9, and they did not allow bulls to drive the prices up at all. It closed near its low. Now, this is what bar by bar analysis is. We are reviewing every single bar and understanding what it is telling us, right? We know that bar it is telling us that it's a failure here above moving average possibility, right? And then this is what is confirming that possibility, because bulls are not able to hold their ground above the moving average, right? Now, what we look at now, either it continues down all the way, or it basically becomes a trading range day, right? So, but we remain open. Price uh, uh, will do its own part, and we basically take trades based on what we see and not what we think, right? Bar 11, bears had a follow through. They did manage to close the bar below moving average, and at the bar's low, it's a strong close. Then you can see all the way down, all these bars, it's a channel that is going on, okay? None of the bars were able to manage to go past previous bars high. So bears were that strong. They did not allow the bulls to take control at all. So till uh, here you can see that it's a slow move, grinding slowly towards the low of the day. Bar 1's low could have been a possible support. That is where this bar 20 tried to hold the ground. Bulls tried to provide the support, but it couldn't manage. Bears immediately took control on bar 21, and they sold a close of bar 20, and you can see that it closed below bar 1's low. So bears was that strong. Okay, so that's a clue that you are getting from this price action. You can also see that if you mark this trend line, the price is basically treating this as a resistance, and that is being respected, right? Now with this price action, with this bar 20 and bar 21, bears getting a breakdown below bar 1's low, what do we see? Okay, bulls made an attempt to go up, and that failed. So we are looking at possibly the extension of bar 2's low till bar 8's high, and that is what I have plotted here, which is the Fibonacci extension of that move up, which is basically 17091 approximately, right? You see that this bar 21, if it basically went below bar 2's low, which was the day's low at that point of time. Bar 23 tried to uh, basically fail the breakout, but it was not enough. Okay, it was still below bar 1's low, and bar 24 bears immediately took control. They did not, they just tested bar 1's low, and this is a strong close. So this is a breakout pullback opportunity, and we take the short trade below bar 24 with a stop loss of 10 points. Okay, entry triggers, nice close on the entry bar. That's what we need. So we entered below 17,192, so around 17,191.75 or 191.5, depends on the feel that you get. Sometimes there are slippages, right? And this is where we end up. Okay, so you got the 30 points in the entry bar itself. Okay, and then you move your stop loss to break even and continue to watch the price action further. We know that trend line is being respected, so we'll see how the price action reacts if at all it comes up. Okay, that's what happened here, but it was again resisted at this level, and we got the move that we wanted, right? At around 945 950 ish, we got the next target, which was this Fibonacci extension around 17091, and that is we basically booked the remaining position. So this particular trade gave us 30 points on the part position, and the remaining one is almost around 100 points, right? So approximately it's 60 to 60 to 70 points on an average is what we got from this trade. So overall, first trade, long trade gave us 40 points, and this one gave us 60 points. So 100 points in 30 minutes of trading. Okay, I hope this analysis helped everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.